County in central Illinois, northeastern Peoria County in central Illinois, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles east of Bradford to near Germantown Hills to near Tremont, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Sparlet, East Peoria, Morton, Lakin, Chillicothe, Germantown Hills, Metamora, Washington, Deer Creek, and Henry around 10:25 p.m. Washburn, Goodfield, and Eureka around 10:30 p.m. Congerville, Roanoke, and Varna around 10:35 p.m. Toluca, Benson, and Secker around 10:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Wayona and El Paso into the north. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 near mile marker 31. Interstate 39 between mile markers 10 and 40. Interstate 474 between mile markers 11 and 14. Interstate 74 between mile markers 95 and 116. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 3 a.m. for central Illinois.